Well, love. 1-0.
Felix Lebrun in the blue.
1-2.
Felix for having his finger, the hand has to be flat. The ball has to be thrown up from a flat. Young looking player, 16 years of age. What a player.
3-2.
Years of age and still rapidly improving.
Yeah, Tom's getting through so strong and so fast. You see the whip there, the ball's gone before. So that's what Tom can do. He gets the ball up slightly. Lebrun trying to congratulations from coach, the great Patrick Sheila. And he's there again, like you said, John. Tom with the hexagonal bat.
5.
Nice opener from Tom. He was back down on the other side. We'll play Tom.
Net.
What do I want to do?
4-7.
And that mental battle is evolving all the way through the 5. Fast serve. Just
First strong topspin.
he was committed, wasn't he? Beautiful backhands from Lebrun, but Tom matching them.
9.
Tom Jarvis 1-0 up in games. Beautiful forehand flip. Such a short backswing, you can't tell where it's coming from.
Net. Sorry. 2 love.
Concentration in the receiving player.
2-1.
That serve really curved. Nice backhand flip again.
Away. Tom takes the first game 11. 4-1 up now in this second game.
So Tom's found a way just to break up the rhythm of the Frenchman, and he's been very successful. Patrick Sheila, I'm sure.
Tom will be disappointed with that high ball when he should have put it away, and he allowed the run back. And all of a sudden, the run's firing on all cylinders.
And I think he's just done it again. Just a little bit slow, a little bit high.
Tom Jarvis, 5 points apiece.
5-6.
There he has his moments. Europe, I think, is number 1. Charles
7-5.
at the timeout.
8-5.
Serve. Look at that again there. French player.
That's a beautiful backhand line. We've seen Paul Drinkle do that a few times. But look at that with the pen hold. He's really so Gavin Evans, England coach, might have a bit of work to do in the minute in between games if Tom can't pull this back.
5-10.
See there, Tom just let that drop. So he had to lift the ball, and then that allows the counter topspin from Lebrun.
Longer sense to young Felix Lebrun, the favourite here.
10-7.
Serve, and it
To anybody's match. Tom needs a good start in this third game.
He does. You don't want to let a young player get too confident. You must keep him in doubt. He's going to several countries between now and May. He'll be in India, Singapore, Thailand, South Africa. Tom will be in all of those countries. Indeed. That was a good block from
1-2.
Can't afford to take the pressure off Felix Lebrun. He's so quick.
Yeah. There's the backhand exchange, top of the net, not going Tom's way.
I was a little bit unlucky. He did everything okay there, did Tom. Coming up now, this next one I think. There it was, that net cord. He just deep to win the point when the ball's going at that speed.
3-2.
He's only 16, so I'm going to let him on.
With the Don Parker caution,
2-4.
which means nothing. Well said, Don.
2-5.
What was great about that backhand, it wasn't the fastest, but it was probably the longest of the backhand loops that he's played.
Tom, having lost that 4-1 up in the second
Right.
game, loses it 11-7.
2-5.
Regrouped. Clearly, Gavin Evans.
5-3.
It's a nice return of serve from
5-4.
there. Change of serve slightly from Tom. Oh, both players countering, nothing given. Fighting to stay up to the table as this is going on. Tom not going back.
Well done, Tom. Out on top. He mustn't be afraid of taking LeBron on in that situation.
4-6. 5-6. Left.
And you see, wonderful spin on the serve. Big forehand
Good
from
call.
Felix, giving France 1-0 lead. Tom having to lean to
7-6.
Up and coming players are now serving with their forehands from the forehand side, even the backhand sometimes from the forehand side. Really
7-0.
mixing it up.
bunny hops from Tom Jarvis, who's frustrated at that. He's trained for this one. Backhand to backhand, elbow counter when it comes to the forehand, and he can't believe. Felix resetting. Ball going sideways by the time it gets to
8-7.
Tom. Up. Looking keen. Up for the fight. Big forehand, just missed it. Years to come. And with a bit of luck, still being beaten by Tom Jarvis as he does so.
8-9.
Could do with this one. Doesn't want to go 10-8 down again. 10. Come on, Tom.
11,
Unlucky.
8.
Like a rocket.
Oh, lucky. Step back to cope with the speed, and then suddenly the ball just over the net.
What a great serve.
Fantastic
Lucky.
serve.
The white line. Just watch that. Whoa! That was a rocket into the body of Tom. He's caught it.
YouTube for years. That one's really, really good.
1-2. 2-0.
Good back.
That's a big backhand from Felix.
2.
Again, looks at the player directly in the eye to try and understand what's going on, I think, in the other player's mind. It's really quite interesting that he's looking at the other person's face very, very explicitly.
But then Felix is very keen to. He knows he's playing well. He's going through a good phase. He wants the game, and he's trying to rush Tom. He's trying to get him playing.
Like he did in the first, really. I don't think that was planned. I think that was a reaction. I think it drifted slightly.
Intimidate. And that was a great shot there from Tom. He needs his point. That's level it up. And he's got him behind the serve. There's the serve. Here he comes. Great backhand.
We need to give Tom Jarvis the chance to win a directly from the shot.
5-4.
That wasn't a bad long push.
4-6.
With a penhold grip.
And of course our best woman player does the same thing, Tintin Ho. Added the power of his own, bit of a block on the backhand, but then started to get the forehands in and was stronger than Felix, that has to be said. Well done, Tom. Brought it back.
If not better.
Yeah, forehand to forehand loop, it's got to be Tom. The speed of this player. He just wants to get through.
7-8.
This game. 1 point adrift, and he's got this serve to come.
Oh, another net. Another lucky net for Felix.
9-7.
He went to the middle, Tom spun it up. And they've changed the ball. Ball got broken. They're trying.
But nevertheless, 3 match points.
And there it is. Felix Lebrun takes it. France are beating